Namaskar and Salam. In today's video, we will take the Hindi matras long U, O and Au and how they are written in Urdu. All three Hindi matras U, O and Au are written with the letter Vav in Urdu. As a matra, the letter Vav will always come only in the medial and the final form. Since Vav is a non-connected letter, the medial and the final forms will always be the same. So you just need to remember only one form. The question arises, how do we know when it is a long U matra, when it is O, and when it is Au matra? There is indeed a way to make this distinction clear by adding pesh to write long U on the previous letter and zabar to write O matra on the previous letter. The O matra does not have any diacritic. Here you can see them with alif. Long U has pesh on alif, O does not have anything, and Au has zabar on alif. Let's now take the long U, O and Au matra with some other consonants. We take first with Be. So Bu is written with Vav and pesh on Be. Bo has Vav and nothing on Be. Bau has Vav and zabar on Be. Let's take all these matras with Kaf. So Ku is Kaf plus Vav and pesh on Kaf. Ko is Kaf plus Vav and Kau is Kaf plus Vav and zabar on Kaf. And finally, let's take these matras with Dal. Since Dal is non-connected letter, Vav will be written separately. So Du with long U will be written as Dal plus Vav and pesh on Dal. Do is written Dal plus Vav and Dau is Dal plus Vav and zabar on Dal. So you can see that Hindi long U, O and Au matras are written with Vav. As you already know that zabar, zer, pesh are very rarely written, you will find all these matras written in the same way most of the time. You can see it here. Long U, O and Au matra are written the same. So Bu, Bo and Bau are written the same, and Ku, Ko and Kau are written the same. Similarly, Du, Do and Dau will be written the same. Only through the context you will know which matra, which vowel it is. There is no other way of knowing. And from now onwards, we will also not make that distinction anymore in writing these vowels. Let's now take some words. We will first take the words with long U matra. The first word is upar, meaning above. The spelling is alif plus vav plus pe plus re. So you write alif. Since alif is non-connector, the next letter vav that represents long U matra will not be connected to alif. Vav is also non-connector, so the next letter pe will not be connected to vav, but it will be connected to the last letter re. So pe will take the initial form and connect it to re, which will take the final form. So alif plus vav is U and pe plus re is par. U par upar. The next word is pura, meaning complete, full. The spelling is pe plus vav plus re plus alif. So pe plus vav makes it pu, that is pa with long U matra, pu, and then re plus alif is ra. So pu, ra, pura. Let's now take a couple of words with long U matra at the end, although there is no difference between long U matra in the middle or at the end. The word here is alu, meaning potato, the vegetable potato. The spelling is alif mad a plus lam plus vav. So you write alif mad a. Since alif is non-connected, the next letter lam will not connect to alif. However, lam will connect to the next letter, which is vav, in the function of long U matra. So alif mad a, then lam plus vav is lu, alu. Let's take the last word where vav takes the long U matra. The word is Urdu, the language we are learning. The spelling is alif plus re plus dal plus vav. Interestingly, here all the letters are non-connected, so all the letters will be written separately. So you write alif, then re, then dal, and finally vav. So alif plus re is ur, then dal plus vav is du, urdu, Urdu. Let's take all the words with vav that represents long U matra. The first one is upar. The second one is pura. Third word is alu. and the final word is Urdu. Let's now take wow as O and au matra. The first word is or, meaning and. The spelling is alif plus wow plus re. Here all three letters are non-connector. They will be written separately in sequence. So alif plus wow is o and re is r. O, r, or. Another interesting thing here is that the word or and or will be written the same. Or means two words. The spelling of or and or will be the same. The next word is chor, meaning thief. The spelling is che plus wow plus re. So che plus wow is cho and then re is r. Cho, r, chor. The next word is con, meaning who. The question word, the interrogative word, con. The spelling is kaf plus wow plus noon. So kaf plus wow is ko and noon is n. Ko, n, con. The next two words are do and no. The number 2 and 9. Do is written as dal plus wow and no is written as noon plus wow. Do, no. And the last word is bolo, speak, the imperative form of the verb bolna, to speak, bolo. The spelling is be plus wow plus lam plus wow. So be will take the initial form and connect it to wow to make it bo. And similarly, lam will take the initial form and connect it to wow to make it lo. So be plus wow bo, lam plus wow lo, bo, lo, bolo. Let's take all the words together that have o and au matra with wow. The first word is or. The spelling is the same as the word or. The second word is chor. The third word is con. The next two words are do and na. And the final word is bolo, where you have o matra twice. In our next video, we will take the a, e and a matra at the end of the words. In Hindi Urdu, this pattern comes quite often in adjectives, participles, nouns, and in some possessive postpositions. See you there. Namaskar and Salam.